What if your pocket camera could actually zoom? Not that sad, pixelated digital pinch you've been living with. Actual zoom on a gimbal in your palm. Insta360 just dropped something that's making a lot of people rethink their entire carry setup. It's called the Luna Ultra. And before you scroll past thinking it's just another compact camera with a fancy name, stick around, because the specs on this thing are genuinely hard to ignore. And there's one feature in particular that nobody in this space has pulled off before.
Let's talk hardware first, because the Luna Ultra isn't just spec chasing, it's built differently. Insta360 went with what they're calling a twist modular system, meaning the gimbal head physically detaches and rotates, giving you mounting flexibility that fixed head competitors straight up cannot offer. The body is co-engineered with Leica, which already tells you something about the direction they're swinging, and you get a 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen that's reportedly pushing 1,000 nits of brightness. Physical controls are thoughtful too. A glowing record button, a tactile joystick wheel, and a grip that actually feels secure one-handed. This isn't a device designed for someone who just wants easy. It's built for creators who want control.
Here's where things get genuinely interesting. The Luna Ultra runs a dual lens setup, a wide 1-inch main sensor with an f1.8 aperture, 14 stops of dynamic range, and 10-bit log color, paired with a secondary telephoto module. That telephoto lens is the headline act, offering 12x hybrid zoom with somewhere between 3x to 6x optically or lossless zoom on a pocket gimbal. Let that sink in. Every other device in this category has handed you a wide lens and told you to crop in post if you want reach. The Luna Ultra is the first one to actually solve that problem in hardware, and that alone makes it a completely different product category.
Pop the hood on the software side, and it keeps going. Early leaked UI screenshots from the Chinese menu system show 8K recording listed as an option, which, yeah, take that with some salt, since it could be a firmware promise or a marketing target. But the fact that it's on the table at all is a serious statement when everything competing against it tops out at 4K. For video shooters who care about motion, you're also getting 4K and 2.7K up to 120 FPS, which covers your slow motion needs without compromise. The combination of log color, high dynamic range, and actual telephoto reach makes this feel less like a consumer gadget and more like a proper filmmaker's tool in a ridiculous form factor. Timing matters, and Insta360 knows exactly what they're doing here. DJI's Pocket 4 and Pocket 4 Pro are currently stuck in FCC regulatory limbo in the US market, which has created a rare gap in DJI's dominance. Meanwhile, the Muse 2 Pro, the other alternative worth watching, isn't arriving until mid-2026. Insta360 is walking through an open door right now, and the Luna Ultra looks like it was purpose-built to take full advantage of that window. Whether that's strategic genius or fortunate timing doesn't really matter. The result is that there's genuine competition in a space that's needed it for a long time.
On paper, the Luna Ultra is the most ambitious pocket gimbal anyone has announced in years. Dual lenses, real telephoto zoom, a 1-inch sensor, modular design, and a Leica collaboration, all in one device. The official announcement is locked in for May 2026, and pre-order details should follow shortly after. Here's what I want to know though. Does legitimate zoom capability actually change your mind about picking this over your current setup? Or is the price going to be the real deal breaker? Drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want the full breakdown the moment review units land.